The Ogun State Police Command has dismissed Singer Portable's claim of having psychiatric issues, insisting he must submit himself. The police insist that the singer remains wanted in connection with an alleged assault on government officials. Recall that in a video posted on Tuesday, Portable declared himself a madman receiving treatment at the Federal Psychiatric Hospital, Aru, Abeokuta. He made the statement while pleading with Nigerians and the Ogun State government following the police declaration of him as a wanted individual. However, the State Police Public Relations Officer, PPRO, Omolola Odutola, maintained that Portable must surrender himself for investigation. Odutola said, Portable will come and submit himself. He cannot be in the psychiatric hospital in Aru. Everybody knows he's a wanted person. If he's in any facility, the police must be informed. He's a wanted man. The police declared Portable after an alleged violent confrontation with 3 officials from the Ogun State Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development, OTA, Zonal Office. The affected officials include TPL Onobanjo Abidemi, TPL Raymond Latif, and TPL Ridwan Oyero Akinlesi were reportedly attacked during an enforcement exercise at Ukiosa, Tigbo Iluota, Ogun State. We will continue to monitor this story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.